Okay, I've got the Art-tech Cessna 182 Skyline 500 class. Just got the package from sigcaro.com. I can put a link down below for you to look at it. Let's see if everything's okay. Looks a little smashed here. Let's hope everything's okay inside. Moment of truth. Let's see. This looks like the instruction manual. Okay, so in this box we have... Okay, so this is the vertical stabilizer. Yep. Seems okay. A little bend here on the tip. There's a place for a light here, though it doesn't have one yet. We got the elevator. Yeah, seems fine. Pretty straight, no dents, no marks. It's got a metallic horn here, so it seems pretty good in terms of quality. There's a strengthening being inside the elevator. This one looks good too. Now here we have the carbon fiber rods for the wings, the wing struts, and the push rods for, I'm guessing, the elevator and the rudder. This one goes here. Now in this little bag we have the tail tip. This is the tip for the tail. These are the antennas that go on top of the wings. Wow, looks really nice. This should be the plate. Yeah. I saw this on a video. It's like a click system. I won't be clicking it right now, but it looks really good. We've got two propellers, which is nice. I fly on a dirt runway, and over time the propellers get really what I call bitten, because they suck up the little pebbles in the dirt from the ground when I'm taking off, and sooner or later they get really eaten by the pebbles. So it's nice they provide two propellers. Epoxy, I'm guessing. It looked bigger on the internet when I saw this, but everything looks okay. Down here. Now the lighting on the wings are already installed. You don't have to do anything. You have your flap servo here, aileron servo. Everything seems pretty good. This one seems okay too. No marks, no dents. They really did a good job packaging this this plane, because everything comes in separate boxes. Everything is wrapped with this bubble wrap. Continental travel adapter, right. Oh, I think it's bent here because of the crash on that side, but we'll see. Yeah, it's a little crushed in here. I think think it's not serious. Well, this looks good. The receiver is already installed. So this is the front landing gear. I've heard a lot of complaints about this. People say it's fragile, it doesn't have a shock absorber. And it's true, but we'll see about that during the flight. Okay, so looks pretty nice. Very scale looking. This is balance charger. Won't be needing that. Oh, Phillips driver. This is the prop adapter. Some nylon screws. Landing gear. The socket, the wall adapter. Stock transmitter. I think I'll use my Spectrum radio for this plane.